And we've got it all wrapped up, not for Christmas, but to start the color on the hull sides. So this is actually the top coat, couple of coats of finish paint. So it seems like progress, but there's still a lot to do even after we get both hulls painted. And this is just the first hull. First coat of top coat's on. It's Kensington gray, which is a light gray. And the deck is going to be Hatteras off-white. And who knows what else I'll do to it. But it came out pretty good for the first coat. They say 2 to 3 coats. We'll decide later. Something else that figures into building a boat is setup time. Like all the time we did masking the boat, all the time mixing the thinners into the paint, cleaning the spray gun, all that fun stuff. Every day you have to do it because if you got a dirty gun, it doesn't spray right. We took the paper off of the deck and we're ready to start sanding it. We have the primer on already, 2 coats of primer. And we're happy with the paint the way it is. I know if I do another coat, I know what would happen. I would mess it up, so we're not planning on doing that. And there we are from the back side. Okay, we're going to give it a day so the tape doesn't interfere with the paint when we mask off. But other than that, we'll be starting on it tomorrow. We got the paper off the top, then we skirt the bottom. All the way down. This paper, we actually got it off of Amazon, and you can read it. But it's real good for masking, seeing how it's used for automotive. Just something, no, I don't get any kind of money back or anything. It's easier to use than just plain old brown paper or newspapers. And plastic will bleed through. Okay, first coat of topside paint on the deck. It just looks perfect, especially with all these little gnats that are in it. But they won't be back tomorrow night, I guarantee that, after I sand their little butts. Anyhow, looks okay for the first coat. I'll never be a professional painter, but it looks better than I would do with a brush and a roller. We had a little delay there. We had some equipment malfunctions. The compressor, it went down, had to order a part, which took a little while to get it back. And as soon as we do that, the spray gun, it's got little springs and stuff in it. Well, this is an old spray gun and it's been discontinued. And I couldn't find the exact spring. I tried a couple of them and they didn't either have enough pressure or they weren't big enough or whatever. So in any case, we got a new spray gun and this is our first time using it. And it's like any tool, you learn the quirks that it has, and it did a really fine job. But Well, we're not even 50% done yet. The other hull's got to be painted, plus all the hatch covers. Got to varnish all the tiller parts, paint the rudders, and the mast. Yeah, don't forget the mast. So we're still working on it. Still got a ways to go. Oh. Okay, this is the inside where the center deck goes. And this is the outside. We will put another coat of bottom paint on, and basically the part that's above the green line, give or take an inch, is above the water line. The rest is below the water line. It should be, this is the water line with I think 1,200 pounds on the boat, or both hulls. And we've got another hull in the shop. Get to start all over with this painting, sanding, painting, sanding, painting, sanding, painting, and sanding. Oh, and painting. Well, today is January 1st, 2023. And we got more work to do.